In 3 minutes, what will you have in common with the Leonardo da Vinci? Your interest in Fibonacci, of course. Hi, welcome to the Blueberry Markets official YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the Blueberry Markets YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to take your Forex game to the next level. In this video, we'll be talking about using Fibonacci retracements in your daily trades. But first, a quick history lesson. The Fibonacci numbers used in Forex trading originated from the Fibonacci numbers introduced by Leonardo of Pisa in the 12th century. The most famous enthusiast of these numbers? None other than Leonardo da Vinci with the Mona Lisa. Fast forward 9 centuries later, and the Fibonacci retracement is now one of the most popular tools in the Forex market. But what are the Fibonacci numbers used in Forex trading anyway? The key numbers that you should remember are 0, 0.236, 0.382, 0.618, 0.782, 1, 1.272, and 1.618. With these numbers, you can identify potential levels of support and resistance for your trades. The higher the time frame, the stronger the Fibonacci support or resistance. And to make these numbers more effective, you can try using them with other confluences. Now, let's apply these numbers to your trades. The first step is to identify a trending market. If the market is in an uptrend and it's making higher highs and lower lows, then we can use it to draw Fibonacci retracements on. Next, we need to draw the Fibonacci starting from the high all the way to the low of the impulse to identify a Fibonacci level as support. Take this one for example. In this chart, the 0.618 and the 0.382 line up with previous structure levels of resistance and support. These areas could be used as support for a continuation of the uptrend. Meanwhile, the 1.272 and 1.618 can act as targets for the trend trades. Taking another look, we can see that the market also formed a bullish candle from the 0.382 level and structure confluence leading to a continuation of the trend. Now that we have confirmed these things, we can now proceed in opening a position in this trade. Do you think you can use Fibonacci retracements in your trades? Let us know by giving us a thumbs up below, and if you have other tips in using Fibonacci retracements, share it with us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications, so you don't miss the next video in this series. Create a live account with us and try using Fibonacci retracements in your trades by heading to our website. Please also follow us on our social media, links can be found below.